crazy how much of a difference these lips make. These cars. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek. Alright guys, here's the Q. Let's see what's new to this. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are currently on the way to pick up something small for the Q. Something that I've been saying in the last couple of videos that I need. So you guys should know what it is. Something, like I said, very small. But the smallest things are that make the biggest difference sometimes. Alright guys, for those that guessed it, a lip. One piece lip. I am not with those 3-piece lips anymore. Every single one of those that I've had are all flown away. So I found this deal on OfferUp and I was like, let's go pick it up. Like I said, those 3-piece lips, if you hit something too hard, one piece will fly off. If you're going too fast, one piece will fly off. It's those 3-piece. Just don't get a 3-piece lip. Just get a single piece. That's the only types of lips that I've had on my Z. And those are the ones that are durable. This is also poly, so.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's now the next day. We're gonna go ahead and install this lip pretty fast. Gonna add some 3M tape, some screws, and this thing should not be flying off, I hope. But let's go ahead and do this really quick.
20 minutes later.
And just like that, a little bit of tape and a little bit of screws later, lip is on. Not bad, not bad. Looks a lot better than without a lip. I miss this look so much. It's crazy what such a little piece would do to the car. But anyways, I'm done here trying to head to the gym. Let's hope this thing does not fly off on the freeway.
The next day.
It is way too early, bro. Damn, I haven't really even seen the lip like that in the sunlight. It looks so good, bro. It's crazy how much of a difference these lips make. These cars. But we have a pretty exciting video today. I might be half asleep, but we are going to be doing a pretty sick mod to the Q today. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is just yet, but I do think it's going to be one of my favorite mods I've ever done to this car. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I just haven't got around to it, and we're doing it today. It's gonna be pretty fucking sick, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But it's funny, the guy actually lives like 2 minutes away from me. So I guess it rained last night, so the roads are a little wet. So you know what that means. That'll wake you up in the morning for sure. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek of what's going down with the Q. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell what's happening. This thing is gonna be so sick, bro.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, it is currently 7:20 and I just got a text saying that the car is ready, so let's go get the car and see what I did to it. Alright guys, here's the Q. Let's see what's new to this. Oh my boy, stars on the roof. What? Got a Rolls Royce or what? Damn, bro, this shit is so sick. So fucking sick. I bet you guys didn't expect that. Damn, this is dope, bro. Ended up getting stars on the roof in the Q. This shit is so sick. I'm speechless, bro. And then the roof is also black now. Bro, this is hard. I'm really speechless. So I think he said I could change the colors too. Let's see what we could do. So this is the app that is gonna control the lights. Damn, red looks crazy, bro. I see white, green, blue. Damn, blue looks pretty sick too. Yellow-ish, pink. Damn, for when you take out the ladies. Hey. Damn, this blue's pretty sick. Damn, that's pretty. I don't even know what to say, bro. It makes the car like 100 times better. I can't wait to go on late night and driving this. I'm definitely gonna fix this week now. For sure, I'm gonna order one right now when I get home. Damn, this is sick. So I guess you could even change the twinkle on this. That's speed 1. Speed 2. Oh, bro, that's hard. This is a vibe in here, bro. Literally a vibe. You said it's 550 stars, bro?
Yeah, 550.
But yeah, shout out to the homies over at FKN Auto. For real, thank you guys. If you guys need any type of start lights, or what else do you guys do? Starlights,
Low glow, ambient, custom headlights. Yeah, a ton of shit.
all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna leave their Instagram right here. If any of you guys are interested, hit them up in the DMs. Let them know that I sent you. They get down, bro. Night drives are gonna be completely different now. All right, guys. So the Q is done, but these guys are actually doing, I guess, a trunk setup. I never even heard of starlights in the trunk, but I guess they're doing a trunk over here. Let's go check it out. This is actually a trunk setup. Damn, anxiety. Who else is he here?
Jamie?
I'm actually curious to see how this is going to look at the end. I'll probably tell them to send me a video or something so I can add it right here. And just like that, guys, got a sick ass mod on the Q. I've always wanted to do this, and we did it. This shit looks so sick in person. I don't know if the camera's catching it. It's literally a vibe in this car now. Sheesh. Like I said, I'm definitely fixing the stereo this week now. I have to. There's no way I'm gonna ride like this with no music. But like I said, shout out to my boys FKN Auto. Their Instagram is once again right here if you guys need any other services that they mentioned. I think they said starlights, headlights, I think neon, underglow, and a bunch of other services that they have. Hit them up, let them know that I sent you. Really professional, really good work, and super fast turnaround time, bro. I dropped this car off at, was it 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning, and it's done already. It's already 7 p.m. and they're all young too, bro. I think they're all like 17, 18. That's pretty sick. They got their own little business going. But like I said, do me a favor, give them a follow if you guys are interested in any of these services. They are located in the Inland Empire. Like I said, very affordable prices too.
Fired. I wasn't recording. I'm sorry.
Alright guys, it's now a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. The car's super dirty, but I just had to pull up to this gas station really quick just to show you guys more of the lights. I've been driving this thing for like 2 hours now. This thing is so sick, bro. So sick. Honestly, this just makes the whole experience at night just 10 times better. I love driving at night, so it makes it even better. My bad guys, I'm kind of geeking. But besides that, you guys know we added a front lip to the car. Like I said, the front lip just makes it look so much better. You guys can't really see it right now because it's dark. But yeah guys, what do you guys think I should do next to this car? Actually, I do know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna fix the stereo and fix that exhaust leak. Other than that, then I'll try to get some side skirts, diffuser. But like I said it before in the channel, this car is not my main priority. My main priority is the Z, and I'm actually trying to get another turbo kit for that car. So for those of you guys that are watching, if anybody's interested in my turbo kit on the Z, it's actually for sale. If you guys want the turbo kit that's on my car and are actually serious buyers, shoot me a DM on IG and we'll talk numbers. Anyways, let's go home. It's super late, super cold, and let's cruise with these lights. I don't know why, I think my favorite color is blue with the starlights. You guys know the only way to get on the freeway. Damn, this thing moves, low key. Not bad. Not bad for a literally one bolt-on tuned car. Oh, it's thick. You can see the starlights right here, reflecting off the little emblem. I can't get over this, bro. This is definitely my favorite mod I've ever done on the Q. I mean, just look, it got me in my garage in the darkness just recording it. But yeah, guys, that is a new mod for the Q50. Like I said, I always wanted this mod, but I just never came around to it. So we finally did it. Starlights on the roof is fire, bro. It literally makes the whole driving experience at night a lot better. Like I said, once again, huge shout out to my boys over at FKN Auto. They really got down, and like I mentioned earlier, they're all youngins, so it's so dope to see these young kids pretty much starting their own business. So if you guys want to support, do me a favor, shoot them a follow on IG. Their IG is right here. They have a lot of services, like I said. The whole starlights, there's I think neon underglow headlights and all sorts of other stuff. But yeah, guys, with that being said, I have lots of plans for both cars. I do want to focus, like I said, on this one a little bit more right now. I do want to get a whole other turbo kit, like I was saying. Trying to sell the rear mount turbo that I have right now. Gonna do a completely different setup. So like I said, if anybody is interested in the turbo kit and is serious, send me a DM on Instagram. We'll talk numbers. Many of you guys know this turbo kit made 700 wheel horsepower super easily. It's good for over 800, so it's obviously perfect for you stock block boys, you know, even the build block homies. Oh yeah, also I actually just saw some wheels that I really like for this car. So if anybody is interested in the RPF ones, they're not really for sale, but if they sell, I wouldn't be super mad about it. If any of you guys are interested in some black chrome RPF ones, 18 by 10.5 plus 15 on round, in my DMs on Instagram, we'll work out a deal. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, edit this video, and go to sleep. I'm super tired. I'm on like 2 hours of sleep. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video and like the new mod on the Q50, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.